Hey everyone, Christine here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing self-portraits, so I'm very excited. This will be the first time that I'm actually doing self-portraits by myself with the timer on my camera, so I'll show you all how to do that on the Nikon D750 and my setup, and of course some pictures at the end. 6 feet away from everybody is kind of hard to take pictures, especially portraits, so this was the perfect opportunity to do some self-portraits. So I hope you all enjoy this video, and like always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let me show you guys how to put the Nikon D750 on self-timer. So if you have that same camera, you can figure it out. And also a lot of cameras have self-timers, so you can always Google how to do it really quickly and you can kind of use the same setup that I'm using. So let's get over to my camera. So this is my setup today. I'm gonna be using my Alien V800 and this umbrella. And then I am gonna have my ring light on with my camera. So I have my Nikon D750. And of course I have my backdrop. So to put your camera on self-timer, obviously you gotta put your camera on. And you're gonna click on menu. And then you're gonna go down to the little pencil, custom settings, go in there and hit the timer AE lock. Then you're gonna go down to self-timer. Now here you have a couple options. Since it's gonna be just me, I'm gonna give myself 10 seconds, and I apologize if this video is a little shaky because I'm trying to hold it while I do this. In number of shots, I'm gonna increase this so I can kind of just change my poses a little bit, and I'm gonna change this so it gives me 3 seconds between poses. So right now my self-timer is set on for 10 seconds. It's gonna take 3 shots and 3 seconds between those 3 shots. Is it okay? Perfect. And PS, I forgot to mention, you need to change this bottom one here to the timer. To do that, you push this little button down and then you scroll this down. Mine was originally on the S. I'm not exactly 100% sure what they all stand for, but I'm putting it back on the S after I don't want to do self-timer anymore. So what happens when I have an extension cord? This is my first time ever using self-timer, so it was definitely a learning experience for me as well. Oops. Well, I know the self-timer works. Apparently just click it and you don't have to wait for anything. A very long 10 seconds. Now let's see if I'm even in the frame. So I just switched my background. I tried using my plain gray background, but I was having trouble actually having my camera focus on any spot on there, so I was trying to autofocus on a spot outside of the background. And then when I was taking pictures of myself, it was super blurry, so I switched to this background because I can focus on probably a little wrinkle or something like that, and then I can stand in front of that spot and get a clear picture. So let's give this a second go. I'm sure if you're going to do pictures somewhere else where you could focus on something else and not something plain, it'd be much easier, but since I decided to do it down in the studio area, it's become a little more difficult, but I think this will definitely work. These are definitely working, so let's keep on playing. What's nice is that an orange button goes on when it's actually working, so you know it's actually set up for it. Let's keep on going. become much easier. That's a wrap. Now let me show you some of the pictures from the camera, and then of course we're going to upload them and edit a couple. Thank you all for watching this video on how to use your self-timer and how to take self-portraits. And like always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone!